Hello friend, welcome back to my channel TechW3BA. This is Vijay Kumar. In this lesson, we will be seeing example of record trigger flow in Salesforce. So the scenario is whenever user is updated, then assign a permission set to user automatically. So first of all, we will be create a permission set. After that, we will be create a record trigger flow. So let's move on the Salesforce potential. This is my Salesforce potential org. So here we will be first creating permission set. So simply click on the search of permission set and create a new permission set. Click on the new button to create a new permission set. Write the name of the permission set. Assign. Permission set to user. To user. Assign permission set user. I am creating a new permission set. Assign permission set user and session activation required. So I am activating this permission set and saving it. Go to the manage assignment. As you can see, there is no user assigned in this permission set. Now I am going to the flow. So this is the flow where I am click on the new button to create a new flow. Select record trigger flow and create. So if user is updated, so I am selecting here user. If user is updated, so I am selecting record. A record is updated. Condition requirement: if a user ID is equal to true. Yeah, I can use the condition here is active if user active is active equal to true. That means that user is currently inactive. Then after that I am changing the free form. So now I am getting the permission set here. So get record, get permission set. Object name is permission set. And here the condition is the permission set name. Permission set name equal. My permission set name is assign permission set user. So the API name is this. Copy this name of permission set, and if name permission set name equal to this, then only the first record and then match the arrow. Now I am creating a permission set record. So create a record permission set assign record. One use separate resource. Object name will be permission set. Permission set assignment. This one. Here assignee ID. Assignee ID, the value will be passed the record dot user ID. So assignee ID, the field of the permission set assignment, and here we will be passing the value of the record dot user ID. And add a new field permission set ID. This one. Here we will be passed the forget permission set. get permission set or permission set ID. This one, permission set ID. So permission set ID, I am passing the value get permission set dot permission set ID. Then done. Now I am saving to the flow. So assign permission set to user. To user. I am giving the name the flow name. Assign permission set to user. Then save. After save this flow, I am activating this flow. So now go to the user. If you, as per the flow, if user is active and if it is updated, if record is updated. So go to the user. I am updating any of the user. So user. So I am updating any of the user. So edit this user. Integration user I am updating. So I am putting TechW3 web company. I am putting 1 in the company. Now I am updating this user. User has been updated successfully. Then go to the permission set. My permission set is assigned permission set user. Before there is no user assigned in this permission set. Now I'm going to check manage assignment. As you can see, integration user has been assigned automatically if user has updated. So friends, do from your side your potential. If you're getting anything issue, please write in comment box and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.